Welcome back, dear friends and supporters. In today's video, we will be looking at how to add a job application system to our game server. Using this script, players can easily submit job applications, and boss players can review them. This script also helps servers create a more realistic job recruitment process, enhancing the overall roleplay experience. Let's dive in and get started. To kick off the integration of this dynamic update into your Fivem server, begin by heading to our GitHub page. We've made this step straightforward for you by placing the link right in the video description for easy access. Upon reaching the page, proceed to download the folder. Once downloaded, unzip the folder and then copy and paste it into the server directory that best fits your configuration. The subsequent step requires a minor adjustment. Simply eliminate the word main from the folder name to guarantee a seamless setup process. Now, open the config file for customization. Here, you can choose which target system you want to use, either aux or QB. Next, you'll need to connect the webhook links to specific jobs. To do this, go to Discord, select the channel you want, click on Edit Channel, and open the Integrations tab. Name the bot, copy the URL, and paste it into the config file as shown in the video. Repeat this process for the rest of the jobs. Once done, go to the specified location to use the feature. Players will be able to use the target system to write a job application based on the questions asked. Once a response is submitted, it will be sent to the specified Discord channel. From there, the recruiter can review the application and take necessary actions, like accepting the response and providing feedback. This is how the job recruitment process works on the server. If you want to add more locations, simply copy and paste the snippet in the config file and modify it accordingly. To add more jobs, go to the server folder and open the main file. Here, you can add more jobs and customize the questions by modifying the given code snippet. Make sure to integrate the new job correctly, and remember, you can use our AI to help code it for you. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I am happy to announce that Coden has welcomed over 2,500 members, making it one of the biggest hubs for Fivem server developers and owners. Currently, we invite 100 new members every day. Our experienced developers and support team provide free assistance to all members who are struggling to set up their servers. All my videos with alert systems are included in the Discord, along with unique client codes and Discord server templates. A big shout out to my support team for their patience and around-the-clock dedication in providing free support. So why wait? Join our Discord and learn Fivem development together.